It's important for you to know the best time for you to upload on YouTube, because if you do not know the best time for you to upload on YouTube, you will also be uploading blindly, not even knowing when your viewers are online, when the algorithm is coming to pick out your videos. One of the most important things that can actually help you navigate YouTube seamlessly is knowing the right and appropriate time for you to post. You don't just wake up one morning and post 2 a.m. and then the next morning you're posting 5 p.m. and then the next day you're posting 1 a.m. where you personally know that you do not have a reputable audience yet that will always come back for your videos. Now, don't get me wrong, I can wake up any day at any time to upload on my YouTube channel, and I still have that assurance that plus and minus I will get 500 views, right? Because I have an audience that no matter what I post or what time I post, they already love me to that level of coming back to watch my videos. But if you're creating or you're just building channel as a new person on YouTube or as someone that just started on YouTube, it is important that you don't just do things anyhow. You still need to look for an appropriate time that is okay for you to be able to upload your videos so that you can get your clear visibility and also you can be able to achieve what YouTube actually wants you to achieve. Even till now that I have this particular audience, I don't just wake up any day, anytime to just upload. I have a schedule for myself. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So I'm going to go into my screen record to show you, first of all, from the YouTube studio, how you will be able to know the right time for your content before I say any other thing that I wanted to say. So right now my screen record is all started, and if you come to either the desktop version of your YouTube studio or the normal YouTube studio app, anyone at all, you can be able to access this. Now all you need to do is, when you are there, you're going to be seeing dashboard, content, analytics, and then you're going to see community, and then the earning sign that you're seeing here. What you basically need to do is to go ahead and click on your analytics, and when you click on your analytics, you're going to click on your audience. Okay, so now let's go to this place. You can see here if this is how your analytics is, because definitely if you click on this, is going to be. So go ahead and click on your audience. If you click on your audience, YouTube is going to be showing you when your viewers are online. So now if I click on this place, now you're going to be seeing when viewers are on YouTube. On my own end, my own is going to be different from your own, because we all have different and separate audience from different countries and different community. Now you can see that my own here, 12 a.m. to 6, if I post 12 a.m., if I post 6 a.m., if I post 12 p.m., if I post 6 p.m., my audience are usually online by this time. So I can choose any of this time to post. You can see here they have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays as well. So any of these days, if I post, either I come here to post 12 a.m. or I come here to post 6 a.m. or I come here to post 12 p.m. or I come here to post 6 p.m., my audience will definitely be online to watch my videos. And this analysis sometimes, as far as I'm concerned, changes, because this one is for the last 28 days. So if you have this particular when viewers are online, you need to try to check the exact time you're going to be uploading your videos. Now, you don't just limit yourself here. Now, this is what you're going to do. Now, in your videos that you're going to be creating, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, how many days can I comfortably be uploading in a week? How many days can I comfortably be uploading in a week? Now, if you can comfortably upload 3 times in a week, fine. If you can comfortably upload every day in a week, fine. If you can comfortably upload 2 times in a week, fine. Now, the next thing you're going to tell yourself after picking the day that you're supposed to be uploading in a week is, what particular time will I be uploading? Now, when you check on this end, you pick any time that you feel like it is appropriate for you, so that your content, if it's every Monday 6 a.m., know that every Monday 6 a.m. you are coming here to be uploading your videos. Now, gradually, even your audience are going to be mastering what you're actually doing here. So you don't just wake up and put video on Saturday by 3 p.m. You wake up and put video on Sunday by 2 p.m. So, and if you are uploading every day, what time do you want to be uploading every single day? you also need to pick up the appropriate time. Now, in doing this, it will enable the algorithm to be able to keep mastering your audience and also showing your audience when is the appropriate time for them to always be expecting your videos. A lot of you guys, when your audience are waiting to see your videos, they're not even seeing your videos. So by the time they already lost interest or go to other viewers to go and start watching content from other people, that is when you now start coming back to upload. And that thing is really, really killing the algorithm of your channel. So guess the appropriate time, the appropriate date that you want to be uploading your content. It is very important. And whenever you want to upload your content, do not upload your content public. Let me stop my screen record. Don't upload your content public, please. Upload your content either unlisted or you private your content so that your content can go up at the right time. Because some persons can be uploading videos in the past 3 days. If you're in this part of this country where I came from Nigeria, whereby some days we are uploading videos, 2 days the content never upload finish. And then the moment the content was uploaded, maybe the content just finished uploading by 2 p.m. in the night, 2 a.m. in the night, and the video will just go up that 2 a.m. and of which it is not going to be giving the algorithm a good signal for them to be able to keep pulling out your content to your audience appropriately. So make sure you're uploading unlisted or you upload it private. Now, once you know the exact time that you want, you can now go and schedule if you want to schedule, or you can go and just go to your YouTube studio to publish it. Now, a lot of people have asked me this question. If I want to publish my content and my content is on private or on list, what do I do? All you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio, click on this said content. You're going to see like a pencil icon. Now, if you click on the pencil icon, it is going to show you visibility. Now, the visibility is where you should click. You're going to be seeing either public or private or on list or what? Schedule. Then if you want to publish, you go ahead to publish your videos. So this is where you can find the right and appropriate time for you to upload your videos. Do not just wake up every morning. Do not just wake up every afternoon or evening to just go ahead to just pull out your content. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. For those of you that will be interested in the Port Harcourt Hangout, our Port Harcourt Hangout will be heading on the 29th of June 2025, where we personally see each other, talk to each other, rapport with each other as family, as one. If you're in any of this state that is close to Port Harcourt, Enugu, Akwa Ibom, Delta, Imo State, feel free, send us a mail with this mail that you're seeing on the screen, faithonja3195@gmail.com. Just write Port Harcourt Hangout and your phone number. We are going to be adding you up to the WhatsApp group. Let your number be WhatsApp number or Bikonu so that we don't have stress when adding you up to the WhatsApp group. Anyways, if you're still struggling with your channel, you don't even know what to do, you don't even know how to do it, and you want me to personally come to your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, this is where I do that for you with these flyers that you're seeing displaying on the screen, and with the same mail, faithonja3195@gmail.com. I'll be able to come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that we can actually attain success and achieve whatsoever we're coming to YouTube to achieve. Send us a mail and tell us that you're interested in our one-on-one coaching, and let's get you started. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop in your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like to say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.